Hi everyone, it's me, Carl the Merman, again, and I am so happy to announce that I made it to the top 20 of the next FACE Awards 2018. It is absolutely insane. Literally, I started screaming when I got the message, and I want to thank you all so much for the love and support that I received. I absolutely didn't expect it at all. And today, I will be doing the unboxing, it's heavy, of the mystery box that I got for the top 20 challenge. And I am so excited, so tune in for the unboxing. Alright, so let's start. I have my beautifully packed...
Not really beautiful.
I'm literally shaking. Oh my god, look at this shit. Oh, here you can see the FACE Awards logo, and right here, it's so,
be careful.
it's heavy. And right here you can see the amazing artwork for the challenge made by Petrovlad. He's an amazing makeup artist. Make sure you check him out on Instagram. I'll leave his description below. Alright, alrighty then, I'm doing it. How do you open this thing? Oh my god. Oh. Bitch! Ah! Oh my god! What the hell?
Show to camera, show to camera.
Oh my god, it's full of treasures, literally. I feel like I went shopping. Oh my god. I see so much. Okay, where to start? Okay, first of all, is this some kind of a diploma? Alright, let's see. Aww. It's like a certificate, oh my god. It's a little, nah, but whatever, I'll frame it. Congratulations, Carl the Merman. We are so happy to let you know that you made it to the FACE Awards Baltics Top 20. Oh, it's so sweet. Good luck with your first challenge. Oh, Nix, you are amazing. I will definitely frame this on my wall. Okay, next we have... What the... Just what I needed. A huge lipstick. Alrighty. Woohoo, you have made it to the FACE Awards Top 20. Yes. Oh my god, this is, again, going on my wall. Oh my god, what the hell? Red Bull, 4 of them. Well, I guess I know what I'll be drinking during my next tutorial. Alright. And, literally, you're giving me food. How did you know that I love food? Sweet help, I love you. What is this? This is the first time I've seen something like this. Huh? Is this some kind of healthy sweets gummies? Can't wait to try them out. Alright. I see we have a lot of gifts from the sponsors. Now we have this nice bag from Lewis. I don't know what to pick next. Oh my. Are you serious?
You wanted some brushes, I think.
Is this thing full or is this thing empty? Oh my god! Are you kidding me?
You're shaking.
I'm literally shaking. Oh my god, a whole set of brushes.
You're shaking.
Shake it off. Oh my god, a whole set of brushes. I can't believe, oh my god. Jesus. Oh, what is this? Micellar water. Oh my god. I'm gonna need this shit. Okay, next we have Total Control Drop Foundation in a very dark shade. Interesting.
Oh,
okay.
Probably for dogs.
Probably. Alrighty then. Then we have another foundation in a very light color. And another foundation. Oh no, this is not a foundation, this is a primer. Okay. Okay. Cleansing balm? Striped off? Huh? What is this? Okay, cleansing balm. I can't wait to try all this shit out. Born to Glow. How did you know that I love highlighters? Oh my god, this is...
You're gonna glow from the galaxy. Are you happy?
Are you kidding? Can't you see? Oh my god. Another Total Care foundation. Total Control foundation, sorry. And number 5. Oh my god, how did you know? This is my color. This is my skin color. Perfect. Oh my god, perfect. Okay. Oh my god, Vivid Brights. Vivid Brights in a shade yellow. Oh my god. In a shade Vivid Halo. Sorry, not yellow. But it's still yellow, okay. Oh my god. What? A high definition blush. Well, dolls do need blush. Another Total Control foundation. Oh my god, how many foundation is here?
Mom!
White liquid liner. Oh my god. Another foundation. Oh Jesus. Ugh. Hairspray. Color Insta L'Oreal. Oh my god. Amazing.
Your hair will be...
Another one. This is my favorite color and this is my second favorite color. Oh my god, I'm gonna be the double my favorite color. Oh my god. Okay, what's next? Folding mirror. Jesus, I want to see how it looks. My mirror broke, so I really needed a new mirror. And this is, oh Jesus, it looks, oh my god. Oh my, oh my god, literally, I'm shining. This mirror is beautiful. It makes my face 10 times prettier. Thank you, Nyx. Okay.
So you think you're not beautiful, huh? Huh?
I didn't say that. Okay, now I have a powder puff. Perfect. Oh my god. Highlight and contour palette. Jesus! Finally, I have my own and I don't have to borrow from anyone.
Is it creamy or powder?
It's powder. Yeah, it's powder, not cream. Okay. And this is
very cool.
Gotcha Covered Concealer. I needed one. Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Again, highlighters.
More.
Epic Ink Liner.
That's the favorite one.
Like, this is such a perfect timing because almost all of my eyeliners and some other stuff just broke or I finished them. So this is perfect because I got new stuff now. Okay, what's next? Oh my god, what is this? Nail remover?
Oh.
What?
You will need it.
Alright. Nail lacquer remover. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. Okay. I'm gonna do something with my nails then. Next we have Gel Pore Source Eyebrow Gel. Alright. Alright. Work. Pink Vivid Brights. Cream color.
These ones. Amazing.
Oh my god. Another one, and this is in oh no, this one's different. This is white something. Eyeshadow base. Oh, sorry. I need to read things first. Another eyebrow gel. Alrighty. And another eyebrow gel. Alrighty. And eye and lip makeup remover. Alrighty. And doll eye mascara. Bish, you're giving us so many hints for the dolls. I can't wait to start the challenge. Stripped off. Cleansing oil. What the hell? Okay. Another concealer. And a pro foundation mixer. Oh, Jesus Christ. What is this? Daily... Oh, this is from Kiehl's. Daily Reviving Concentrate? Okay.
Maybe it's nail glue.
It's some kind of oil. Yeah, these are oils. Okay, I never used one before. I can't wait to try it. Oh my god, something's falling. Ah, what's next? Next professional makeup, the white lavender blush. Yes.
Blush and pencil?
No, this is like a, I don't know what is it for? Sorry, I have to read it. Inner eye brighter. Oh my god, I love these. I'm gonna brighten my eyes. Oh, wicked lashes. Okay. SFX cream color, red. Fish, yes, yes. Another Born to Glow liquid illuminator. Oh my god, highlight of my life. What? Tinted brow pomade, okay. Pomade, I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. And some, oh Jesus.
And you're broken already.
I'm such a clumsy bitch, oh my god.
You broke your old stuff and you're broken new stuff.
This is a high definition blush, again. Blush is for my cheeks, okay. Okay, we're almost coming to the end, guys. Lashes again, yes. And oh my god, so much stuff. Matte finish. Setting spray. Jesus Christ. Dewy finish setting spray.
You can't even talk already.
I know. Glitter! Glitter! Ah! Oh my god, glitter. Literally, I'm running out of space on my table, guys. Another color mascara, purple. Jesus Christ. Another intense butter gloss. A white pencil. And a soft matte lip cream. Matte lip liner.
Show to camera some stuff.
Soft matte lip cream again. What is this? Another matte lip liner. What's this? Precision brow pencil. Work. Okay. Another soft matte lip cream. Oh Jesus. And another inner eye brighter. And then
eyeliner.
eye brighter. It says eye brighter. Yeah, brightener. Yeah, and then another one. And this thing is Extreme Shine Eyeliner. Okay. Oh my god. What the? Eye pencil. Whoa. Lip oil. Oh my god. You guys are amazing. And tinted brow pomade again. And I think that, oh no, this is the last thing. Another glitter, the last thing of the box. And this beautiful fabric that maybe I'm gonna use for the dolls, I don't know. So I guess, well, that's it. That's the end of the box. I'm definitely keeping this thing as a souvenir. And, oh Jesus Christ, how do you close this thing? Oh, again, the amazing artwork by Petra Vlad. And, well, yep, I'm framing this on my wall. Alright.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing. Oh my god, I literally didn't expect so much good stuff to be here. So I guess that's it, guys. I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the amazing support, all the amazing gifts. Jesus.
And the assistant.
And
Behind the camera.
And my amazing assistant, Rimvi, the makeup artist. Oh my god. I'm literally speechless. Stop the camera. I'm saying goodbye, guys. Yeah, this is all the stuff. So that's it. I guess I'm saying goodbye, and I will see you as my vintage doll tutorial video. So anyway, guys, I love you so much and see you next time. Bye.